the experts announced the release date of the budget iPhone SE 2. The novelty will surely appeal to millions of fans. American company Apple will release iPhone SE 2 in early 2020, a well-known analyst, Min Chico, said MacRumors March 13. Given that his predictions came true in most cases, you can rely on him. The smartphone will be released in the iPhone 8 with a stuffing close to the iPhone 11, A13 processor, 3 GB of RAM and 64 128 GB of storage. The phone will not have 3D touch support. The new iPhone SE 2 will receive 3 colors, black, white and red. However, the company found ways to reduce the cost of production, so that the price tag will not be so sky high that it will make it as popular as possible. Phone sales will begin in the first half of 2020. In the minimum version, it will cost $400, which is $50 less than the current price of the iPhone 8. The first iPhone SE was released in 2015. Its production ceased after the announcement of the X's. However, most fans have good memories of this smartphone. Recall that the Bugatti car broke the world record, and accelerated to a record 490 km/h. Now, the company Hennessy are going to break this record by releasing a car that can overcome the mark of 500 km/h. The car will definitely be able to surpass its competitor, as it is noticeably lighter, which means it can pick up speed much faster. As reported, Honda has declassified the design of the new electric car Honda E. Of course, she definitely does not pull on the competitor Tesla, but for the city it is an excellent car, given its capabilities and dimensions. Xiaomi also decided to surprise its customers. Now on smartphones, you can remove ads that are annoying everyone. True, a new feature is only possible in the MIUI 11, which will be available only on the company's new flagships or powerful smartphones.